You got this, Bill. Take your time. Take your time, bro.
Give my goddamn records and my clothes back, 'cause I'm through.
You dropped him. That was epic. Yes. Good job, dude. Good job. Dropped him. Absolutely dropped him. That's the same one. He was dark.
Where the hell did he come from, by the way? We're talking about the Titans. And all of a sudden he pops out of nowhere.
Deer, -9.
All right, so this is the same buck that we saw no less than 3 hours ago. I got a chance of redemption there.
Yes,
I got a
you
chance of
did.
redemption, and he dropped him. What a good shot.
Spelled B-I-L-T-R.
My heart was in my ears, dude. Look at this. Beautiful animal. Beautiful animal. Thank you.
Looks really good, man.
Yeah.
All right, hurry. 170. Camera's rolling. Good shot. Good shot. You got him, buddy. Beauty. Did it. Nice shot. See that doe he was looking at? He was gonna move. Look at her. She's down there looking at him. Well, we didn't put the scope on him, and we didn't put in hearing protection. I don't need that. Might as well get on the radio. Good job. Give me some.
Yeah. Wow, bro.
Look at the girth.
Oh my gosh. $9:30. Good job, man. Looks great.
Wow. Check out this split in its ear.
Oh yeah.
You got your little kicker right there.
What's amazing about this guy is those eye guards.
They're
Look
huge.
at how tall those are.
And how big they are tying into the
he's got a lot
base.
of girth.
You know.
Good job, man.
Thanks, bro.
Great shot.